As summer's warmth begins to fade and the crisp breath of autumn sweeps across the land, a single light rises in the southern sky, bright, isolated, and unmistakably serene. It is Fomalhaut, the lonely star of the southern fishes, a celestial herald announcing the arrival of autumn nights. Fomalhaut has been known for thousands of years. To the ancients, it was a sign of changing seasons, a sentinel that guided farmers, sailors, and poets alike. But behind its simple brightness lies a complex cosmic story, a system shaped by gravity, dust, and time. A story of creation, destruction, and cosmic solitude. Tonight, we journey into the deep to uncover the secrets of Fomalhaut, the solitary star of autumn. Long before telescopes revealed the wonders of the universe, our ancestors watched the stars with naked eyes and open hearts. Among the thousands that adorned the night sky, 4 stood out as special, the royal stars of Persia. They marked the 4 corners of the heavens, guardians of the celestial realms. Fomalhaut, whose name comes from the Arabic Fomalhaut, meaning the mouth of the fish, was one of them. It ruled the southern sky, a royal beacon symbolizing the watcher of the south. In ancient Babylon, priests aligned their temples with Fomalhaut's rising. In Egypt, it was a sacred marker of the Nile cycle. And in the Mediterranean, sailors trusted its brilliance to guide them safely home from distant seas. To these ancient observers, Fomalhaut wasn't just a star. It was a promise that the wheel of time turned faithfully, and the heavens kept their eternal rhythm. Unlike stars clustered in constellations rich with companions, Fomalhaut shines in solitude. In the constellation Pisces Austrinus, the southern fish, it dominates an otherwise empty region of the sky. Look southward on a clear autumn night, and you'll find it easily. No other star near it matches its brilliance. Its isolation makes it striking, a diamond adrift in cosmic darkness. Astronomers call it one of the most lonely, bright stars in our sky, and yet that solitude is only an illusion, because in truth, Fomalhaut is not alone. For centuries, Fomalhaut was believed to be solitary, but modern telescopes have revealed that it is part of a complex system, a trio of stars bound loosely by gravity. The main star, Fomalhaut A, is the brilliant one we see with our naked eye. It lies about 25 light-years away, making it one of our closer stellar neighbors. Orbiting far from it are Fomalhaut B and Fomalhaut C, faint red and orange dwarfs drifting tens of thousands of astronomical units apart. Their gravitational dance is delicate, a balance between companionship and independence, with a single orbit taking millions of years. To us, from Earth's vantage point, Fomalhaut's partners are invisible. We see only the bright heart of the system, and that's why it feels so lonely in our sky. Fomalhaut is a young star by cosmic standards, just 440 million years old. Compare that to our sun's 4.6 billion years, and you realize Fomalhaut is still in its cosmic youth, hot, vibrant, and full of energy. It belongs to the class of A-type stars, burning white-blue in color and radiating more than 16 times the sun's luminosity. Its surface temperature exceeds 8,500 degrees Kelvin, giving it that crisp, icy gleam, a light that pierces autumn's cool air. But youth doesn't last forever. In a few 100 million years, Fomalhaut will exhaust the hydrogen in its core, expanding into a red giant before collapsing into a white dwarf. For now, though, it shines with the vitality of a young celestial monarch, the ruler of the southern autumn sky. What truly makes Fomalhaut fascinating isn't just its brilliance, it's what surrounds it. In 1983, astronomers using the infrared astronomical satellite noticed something unusual: excess infrared radiation coming from the star. That could mean only one thing: dust. A vast ring of icy debris encircles the star, stretching more than 20 billion kilometers. It's a cosmic wreckage field, the remnants of planet formation. Countless icy bodies, rock fragments, and dust grains orbit in a flattened belt, much like our solar system's Kuiper belt. This dusty ring glows faintly in infrared light, forming a brilliant halo when seen through powerful telescopes. It's one of the most clearly defined debris disks ever observed, so precise, it looks as if it were sculpted by an invisible hand. But what, or who, shaped it? In 2008, a discovery stunned the world. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope captured what appeared to be a planet orbiting within Fomalhaut's debris ring, the first ever exoplanet directly imaged in visible light. They named it Fomalhaut B, and the astronomy community celebrated a new world revealed by light itself. But as the years passed, something strange happened. The planet began to fade, and then it disappeared. By 2020, follow-up observations from Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope revealed the truth. Fomalhaut B wasn't a planet at all. It was the expanding debris cloud from a catastrophic collision, two icy bodies smashing together in a violent cosmic accident. For a moment in time, we had witnessed the aftermath of planetary destruction, not creation, a fleeting illusion glowing brightly before fading into nothing. Even in its solitude, Fomalhaut reminds us that the cosmos is restless and ever-changing. Recent observations by the James Webb Space Telescope in 2023 unveiled even more astonishing details. Beyond Fomalhaut's bright main ring, scientists have detected multiple nested belts of dust, each one hinting at the gravitational pull of unseen planets, shaping and sculpting the material like potters molding clay. These rings extend outward like ripples in a pond, a silent record of cosmic architecture. They suggest that Fomalhaut may host an entire family of hidden worlds, planets yet unseen, orbiting beneath veils of dust and ice. It's a system in progress, chaotic, beautiful, and alive with possibility. At just 25 light-years away, the light we see from Fomalhaut tonight left the star around the year 2000. When you gaze at it on a crisp autumn night, you're seeing the star as it was at the dawn of a new millennium on Earth. Its apparent magnitude is 1.16, bright enough to outshine most of its neighbors. And because it lies far to the south of the celestial equator, it never rises high in northern skies, making it a special treat for stargazers between September and November. Fomalhaut's position makes it a seasonal marker. When it ascends at dusk, autumn has truly begun. The ancients didn't need calendars, they only needed to look south. Throughout history, humanity has woven myths around the constellations that cradle Fomalhaut. In Greek lore, the southern fish drinks the water flowing from Aquarius, the water-bearer. Its solitary star, Fomalhaut, was said to sparkle upon the fish's open mouth, drinking the river of life. To Persian astrologers, it was the Watcher of the South, symbolizing integrity and wisdom. To Polynesian navigators, it was a guiding light used to cross vast ocean distances. And to the poets of the Islamic Golden Age, it was a jewel, the pearl of the southern sky. Each culture, gazing upward, saw more than physics or light. They saw meaning, order, and divine rhythm in the heavens. Fomalhaut connects us not only to the universe but to ourselves and our timeless desire to find stories in the stars. Every year, as days shorten and nights grow long, Fomalhaut returns to the evening sky. It rises low in the south, gleaming steadily while other constellations fade behind the horizon. Its appearance marks more than the seasons change. It marks time itself, the passage of life, the constancy of the cosmos. When you step outside on a cool October night and spot that lone white star shining far from the Milky Way's crowded heart, you're seeing Fomalhaut, a reminder that even in solitude there is beauty, even in silence there is meaning. The universe is vast beyond comprehension. Billions of galaxies, each with billions of suns, and yet somehow this one small point of light draws our gaze every autumn. Perhaps because Fomalhaut represents the human spirit, bright, solitary, enduring. It stands apart, yet still belongs to the great cosmic whole. Every photon from Fomalhaut travels across 240 trillion kilometers of emptiness before touching our eyes. And in that instant, across time and space, we are connected to it, a bridge between the infinite and the intimate, between a star's burning heart and our own. Far into the future, Fomalhaut's story will change. It will swell into a red giant, then shed its outer layers into space, forming a glowing nebula before settling into a quiet white dwarf. The debris rings will disperse, the dust will fade, and its companions will drift away. But for millions of years yet, Fomalhaut will continue to shine, marking the rhythm of autumn across the earth. Long after we're gone, its light will still rise and fall in the southern sky, whispering the same message to future eyes. Seasons change, but the stars endure. So when you step outside tonight, find that lone, bright star low in the south. That's Fomalhaut, steadfast, eternal, patient. It shines for all who watch the turning of the earth, for the ancients who named it, for the scientists who study it, and for the dreamers who simply look up in wonder. It is a solitary star that guides us through the quiet elegance of autumn's night sky, and reminds us that, even in the vast silence of the cosmos, we are never truly alone. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed exploring the secrets of Fomalhaut, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more cosmic adventures. We'll see you next time.